vacuum cleaner. Does your vacuum cleaner ever look like this? Okay, so when it gets this bad, it's not going to work that great. But I have a new tool, and that's this. This is called the Rolla Releasa, and this video is actually sponsored by Rolla Releasa. So they sent me this tool, and they sent me some other tools too. We're going to talk about that one, but I just want to show you these. So they have these two little grime scrapers. They come in two different sizes, and there's a little scoopy part here on these. I haven't tried these yet, but this one I absolutely love. This one right here is, and you can see it's a little dirty because I haven't washed it yet, but what I love this thing for right here is, you know that part on your dishwasher that gets really gross? It collects from all the water coming down and people touching it with their hands. It gets all that gunk out of there. And you can wash these. These you can wash with soap and water, or you can throw them in the dishwasher. But today, I'm going to talk about this one, the Rolla Releasa. So these come from England. They're by a company in England, and it's a vacuum formed made, and they're flexible. They're a little flexible, but they're also very sturdy. And it has that look. Not everything has a little hole in it, but this one does, and I'm glad that it does, because I'm going to put this on my keychain and take it with me in case I have a problem on the job. Okay, so I like that factor there. And it has a little grippy thing here, so it's kind of rough, so your fingers won't slip on it. So those elements are good. And then it has this little hook here on the end, which I'm going to show you why this is my favorite part of the whole thing. And it has these little teeth that help grip all the hairs and fibers that get caught up in your vacuum cleaner. So if you go back to some of my older vacuum cleaner cleaning ones, you see that I use the scissors to get in here, but this part right here, this little skinny plastic thing, this thing's easy to break. And so this is an area underneath, for the Sharks anyway, I'm not sure about other models, there's a groove in this roller bar that I've had trouble in the past getting the hair out of. So we're going to see if I can put this up underneath there without breaking this and get all that hair out, okay? And the other place that I have trouble with, I know some of you are grossed out because I'm touching this, but I touch nasty things all day long, every single day. So whatever, this is nothing. Up in through here, that I have trouble getting the hair out on this edge here too. So we're going to see what this does. So here we go. I'm going to start, I guess, with the easy part. And it's a little awkward for me because I would normally have this flat, but I have it up so you can see what's happening. So it's doing a pretty good job pulling this out. Let's see. I got all kinds of stuff in here too. There's hair and that red thread. Okay, let me get this. Look at that. So I've got that. Let's see if we can get this thread out of here. And it looks like there's some other kinds of thread in here. It's coming. Some kind of elastic thread, I think. Alright, here's the test. Well, it seems to be doing better, and it is kind of breaking that thread up too, a little bit. It's definitely doing better than the scissors that I was using. Yes, look at that. It gets right up in there close. Look. Oh, I'm so happy. Yes. Alright. That's good. Now here comes test number 2. Let me get this out of the way here, all this. See, there's hair and thread and fibers off of the carpet. There's all kinds of things get caught up in your vacuum cleaner. I don't even know what that is. Let's see. Okay. So we're getting closer. That's some kind of elastic. That's stretchy. Alright. So I want to get under here without damaging that. Let's see. Oh, hold on. I'm trying to show you, but it's kind of hard sometimes. Get it right in. Okay. Yep. Okay, here we go. Let me turn this a little bit. I can reach it better. Yes, it's coming out of that groove. See, what happens is when you build up this hair on your bar, on the beater bar, or any other kind of debris and stuff, it's not going to function as well. It's not going to get, eventually it's just going to kind of be polishing your carpets. It's not going to be picking up all the things that it needs to pick up. And so these, you know, when it gets full like this, you need to clean it out. Plus, it can damage the bristles. You know, you want the bristles. I dropped it. You don't want your bristles damaged, because that's what lifts the carpet and makes the carpet look good. Helps bring the nap back up on the carpet. If you have that kind of carpet, you know. So it's coming along here. I think it would be easier if I was just doing this for me. Part of it is this awkward angle that I have this at. And in case you're wondering, this is a shark. You can take these apart. So I don't have the whole vacuum cleaner up here. I just have this part of it. Yeah, it's doing good. You know what else is good? Look, I can reach in there and pick out if there's fuzzies in there. There's not too much fuzzy on here, but sometimes you get lint gets in there. I found some more. Yep. Yes, it's doing pretty good. It's up underneath there. One more down here. Maybe if I come this way. Look at this big gob of hair here. Oh my goodness. Let me turn this way. So there's a big gob of hair here. Some of this and more thread. I don't even know what all this is. You know, these come from all different houses. So believe it or not, none of this is my hair. Probably some pet hair in here. Okay. It kind of like the teeth grab. I have a sparkle on my arm. Can you see that? I don't know how I did that. It grabs and it kind of snags it like, so it pulls it up. But it's kind of satisfying. I like it better than the scissors, I think. I really like that I can reach underneath here. It seems a little tedious, okay? I know that it seems tedious to you, but here's the thing. I'm kind of, nobody can use my vacuum but me. Okay, I'm picky about my vacuum cleaner. Like, I just had people abuse my vacuum cleaners and suck things up in them that they weren't supposed to and not really take good care of them like I would. And I love my shark, and my shark is part of my livelihood. Oh look, there's lots of stuff here. And so I'm particular about this, and I don't want it damaged because I need it, you know. But yeah, I do like the fact that you can reach into these little places that are kind of hard with the scissors sometimes. So I would say this is a pretty good product. I'm going to put a link below if you're interested in this and to see what else they have. I know they have these products. I don't know if they're going to come out, you know, these 4 things. And I don't know if they're going to come out with some other things or not, but you can check out their website and see what they got. So that's pretty good. I still have a little bit more to do. There we go. A couple more here. There's something making a noise over there. All right, not bad. Not bad at all. And now I can run a hose through there and get all the rest of that gunk out of there, the dirt and debris. So, thanks for watching. So there'll be a link below for the Rolla Releasa and these other scraper tools if you're interested in them. And I do want to thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget, if you have a question or any kind of comments you'd like to make below, go ahead. I'll answer every single one of them. Thanks. Bye.